Hello, welcome to the world of aviation. On this channel, you will learn everything you must know to your aviation career take off.
So, let's start. In this video, we will see about technical publications. To operate an aircraft, the technical publications below must be followed. Aircraft Maintenance Program for maintenance personnel and Aircraft Operations Manuals for pilots. Aircraft Maintenance Program. Several manuals are elaborated by the aircraft manufacturer to compose the maintenance program, and they are delivered to clients to ensure the airworthiness of the aircraft. The first manual is the Maintenance Plan Document, MPD, that establishes which maintenance to perform and at what time interval. This manual is approved by the aeronautical authorities. We have also the Aircraft Maintenance Manual, AMM, establishes how maintenance should be carried out in the systems and structures, detailing the step-by-step execution of the task, with information about the number of people, tools, and equipment required for each activity. This manual is prepared following the maintenance established in the approved Maintenance Plan Document, MPD. The maintenance program is composed by several other manuals, such as IPC, Illustrated Parts Catalog, SRM, Structure Repair Manual, WDM, Wiring Diagram Manual, FIM, Fault Isolation Manual, and others, depending on the type of the aircraft. The airline can also prepare and submit for approval by the aeronautical authorities its own Aircraft Maintenance Program, AMP, adapted to its operations, but based on the aircraft manufacturer's Maintenance Plan Document, MPD, and in accordance with RBAC 119 regulations at ANAC. Title 14, Chapter 1, Subchapter C, Part 21, Subpart B, Section 21.5, and Title 14, CFR, Chapter 1, Subchapter G, Part 119, at FAA, and for EASA, Commission Regulation, you know, 1321 of 2014 Part M. Aircraft Operation Manuals, AOM. Several manuals are prepared by the aircraft manufacturer and delivered to customers with technical information on how to operate that aircraft. Manual names may vary depending on the type of aircraft, commercial transport, executive aircraft, or for military use. The main types of AOMs are as follows. Aircraft Flight Manual, AFM, the primary reference document for aircraft operation, detailing systems, normal, abnormal, and emergency procedures. Flight Crew Operating Manual, FCOM, a guideline for operators to develop their own standard operating procedures, SOPs, based on the AFM. Operation Manual, ONO, contains some or all AFM information, but also includes other guidance on flight operations. There are other types of AOMs that are essentials for ensuring the airworthiness of the flight. MMEL, an approved document created specifically to regulate the dispatch of an aircraft type with inoperative equipment while still ensuring safe flight operations under controlled conditions. It is elaborated by the aircraft manufacturer. MEL, a document that allows an aircraft to operate with certain equipment inoperative, subject to specified conditions. It is elaborated by the operator airline, according to its operation. CDL, an approved list established by the Type Design Organization that identifies external parts of an aircraft that may be missing at the start of a flight. And finally, there is also a manual used by the pilots during the flight called Quick Reference Handbook, QRH. It is an in-flight quick reference for pilots, especially during emergency and abnormal situations. It has thick and handling-resistant sheets and tab dividers to allow quick access. Its content is aligned with AFM and enriched with visual resources to optimize use. In our next video, we are going to see about aircraft certification.
Thank you for watching. If you like it, please click in the thumb below, support us, share this video, and subscribe to the channel. Bye. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. If you like it,